I was pruning my cherry tree and one branch had a hole down the middle. In it, the hole was what looked like a wormhole. What should I do? And this is from Mary in Jonesville, Virginia, via Facebook.
Okay.
So we have the picture there. Looks like a wormhole.
But it
So Rick, what do you think?
looks like it's in the pith of the
It's
tree.
a pith to me.
But when it said wormhole, I thought of a borer right away, and there are
I did.
stem borers too. But you'd see the hole going through the bark into the stem more. How else would it enter?
I agree with that. Because
Yeah,
I thought boar.
Yeah, and peach tree borer. One of the
Right, and
common
that's what I
hosts of
thought,
a peach
right.
tree borer is cherry.
Sure.
Ornamental flowering cherry and fruiting cherries are also. I'm not sure that could be a secondary infection. That branch looks dead to me. And so it could have been a secondary infection of like a longhorn wood borer or something like that. We need further
Yeah,
investigation.
we need more
I think.
investigating, right?
Yeah,
To
more
be sure
investigating.
of that. But I did think about a boar, that lesser peach tree
Boars
boar.
love cherry trees.
Right.
They do. And
We treat ours on Cherry Road multiple times a year.
right.
What do y'all use when y'all treat?
Actually, we have a company that does
Okay,
it.
okay.
So we used to use Lanate, but I know that's
Oh,
long
yeah.
gone.
Right.
I'm not sure what they're using. now.
Astro is probably something that they use, I'm sure.
Well, I can tell you on the peach, plum, and cherry page of our home orchard spray, the recommendation for borer control is either S-fenvalerate or gamma-cyhalothrin. Now that's for the fruiting cherries.
Right.
Okay.
But S-fenvalerate or
Surely will.
gamma-cyhalothrin,
Okay.
active ingredients.
The insect doesn't care if it's ornamental or fruiting.
Right. Yeah.
I would hope not. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.